So continuing the previous lecture, we have already formed what is the transition probability matrix, that is P is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, that is same as this one. Now here very important point is we have to understand what do we mean by exchange. As I have already told you, he is purchasing a car every year. So 96 beginning of the year, if he is having a car, by the end of the year he is purchasing a car, therefore it is one stage. Next, 97 to 97 end, second stage. Similarly, 98 to 98, third stage. In the year 99, what is the probability that he is having what is the probability that he has a steam car? That is our question. So in the year 1999, what is the probability? This is the question we are having. So therefore, three stages are over. Very important. Once again, I repeat. 96, he has a car. By the end of 96 year, he is purchasing a car. Therefore, one stage. 97, in the beginning of the 97, he is having a car. By the end of 97, he is purchasing another car. Therefore, second stage. Similarly, 98 beginning, 98 end, third stage. In the year 99, I want to predict the probability. So therefore, three stages are over. Therefore, I have to find PQ. For finding P square, take this P, multiply again, you are getting this. For finding P cubed, this P square into P, it is giving this matrix. Now, what is the initial probability vector? I have already told you. Initial probability vector means in the year 1996, he has purchased a car ST. So for ST, I am giving 1. For Zen, 0. For standard, 0. Because in the beginning of 1996, he is having the car ST. He is not having ST, 0. He is not having Zen, 0. Therefore, multiply this P cubed vector by the initial probability vector P to the power 0. Then you are getting this vector. So, first one, as I have already told you, what is the first one? A, that is standard. Second one stands for Zen. Third one, 16 by 27, that is stands for ST. That means the probability in the year 1999 is for he may possess the car standard with a probability of 4 by 27, Zen with a probability of 7 by 27, ST with a probability of 16 by 27. Now suppose the question goes in a different way like this. In the long run, what is the probability that he will have a steam or he will have standard? Then the procedure is this. We make use of the fixed probability vector. That is V is equal to XYZ we are taking. We are substituting in usual equation. We are substituting in the equation Vp is equal to V. What is V? XYZ. Why I have taken XYZ? The reason is it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Therefore I have taken XYZ. Now substitute here. V into P is equal to V. V is this. P. Already we know what is P. That is transition probability vector. V is here. I have written. Now multiply x into 0 plus y into 0 plus z into 1 by 3. That is z by 3. Next, x into 1 plus y into 0 plus z into 1 by 3. Therefore x plus z by 3. Similarly, next one is z into 0, right? Z into 0, sorry, x into 0, y into 1 plus z into 1 by 3. That is this one. That is equal to x by 3. That is first row into first column, first element. First row into second column, second element. First row into third column is the third element. That is equal to x by z. Now let us equate the components. What is the first component? Z by 3. What is the first component? X. Similarly, second component, x plus z by 3. That is equal to the second component, y. Next, y plus z by 3 is equal to this z. Now, very important point what I want to tell is, make use of the equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Because when we take the fixed probability vector V is equal to x y z, we assume that it is understood that x plus y plus z is equal to 1. The reason is it is a fixed probability vector. Total probability must be equal to 1. X plus y plus z is equal to 1. From this, z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Now, in equation 1, substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. In equation 2 also, you substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. In equation 3 also, you substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. When I substitute in equation 1, observe, what is the equation 1? Z by 3 is equal to x. So, now observe, suppose if I substitute in equation 2, what is equation 2? X plus z by 3. What is z? 1 minus x minus y by 3. It is equal to y. Now, if I simplify this, take LCM. Again I repeat, substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y in equation 2. So, x written as it is. This z is 1 minus x minus y. 3 is written as it is. This y is written as it is. Now take LCM. 3x plus 1 minus x minus y is equal to y. Simplify this. This becomes 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 3y. Bring it to this side. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Similarly, take another equation. What is another equation? Y plus z by 3 is equal to z. This is equation 3. Observe. Equation 3. Y plus z by 3 is equal to z. Here, before substituting z is equal to 1 minus x minus y, first let us simplify this equation. Y plus z by 3 is equal to z. So if I take LCM for this, 3 is LCM. So 3y plus z is equal to z. Now 3y plus z is equal to 3 into z, 3z. Now if I bring it to this side, 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. Now put z is equal to 1 minus x minus y here. Here you are substituting z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. That gives you this equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 2. That is what I have worked out here. 2x plus 5y is equal to 2. Now take these two equations. 2x plus 5y is equal to 2. This is the one equation we got already. Here observe, 2x plus 5y is equal to 2. Next another equation is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. I have written 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Now solve these two equations. You will just subtract 2x minus 2x 0, 5y minus of minus 5, 4y, 9y. That is equal to 2 minus of minus 3, 3. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. Now substitute in any one of the equation, 2x plus 5y is equal to any one of the equation, 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Then you are getting the value x is equal to 1 by 6. Now substituting in any one equation, say this equation, z is equal to 3x, 3 into x is half. So x, y, z you are getting 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. That means after 6 years stages, after 6 years or after 8 years, I can predict that the probability that he may possess a car standard is 1 by 6. The probability that he may possess the Zen car is 1 by 3. The probability that he may possess the Esteem car is 1 by 2. Very important point, once again I want to stress is, when you use the probability vector, you have these equations 1, 2, 3. Take any two equations. Suppose here I am choosing equation 2 and equation 3. Substitute z, take any two equations, z, equation 2, equation 3. Substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. For example, in this equation 2, substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. You are getting this equation. Next, in equation 3, substitute z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Then you are getting this equation. So, substituting z is equal to 1 minus x minus y here, substituting z is equal to 1 minus x minus y here, you are getting these two equations. What are those equations? These are the equations in x and y. Now solve this. Naturally you will get, automatically you will get x is equal to this, y is equal to this, use this, then. So in the long run these are the probabilities. Okay, let us stop at this point. Thank you.